How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. About 6 months ago, I uploaded the original video for the Keychron Q1, and in that I mentioned coming back around to it to tape mod it. At that point, I had never really tried the tape mod before, but as of today, I've tried it on multiple boards. I really like using the tape mod on higher pitched boards with a really thin sound, and that almost perfectly describes my original Q1 build. I'll link the original build in the description, but I'll also run through a quick recap here. It's built with Boba U4Ts, lubed with 3203, Duroc V2 stabs, lubed and holy modded, Acco Wave keycaps in the ASA profile, the force brake mod with scraps of extra switch films, weird but it worked, no plate foam and both sheets of the bottom foam. And now that you're up to speed, let's crack this thing open. Getting straight to the point, I went ahead and threw on 2 layers of painter's tape onto the back of the PCB. I find 2 to 3 layers to be pretty good for my taste. While I was in here, I also went ahead and just replaced the scraps of switch films with 2 layers of painter's tape as well, just to see if I could notice any difference. Spoiler alert, I didn't. And finally, I took out one of the layers of case foam. This did add a good amount of bounce to the board. I don't know if I would really call it flex because the entire plate and PCB moves no matter where you push, except for these corners, but it definitely made the typing feel a lot better. I also cut out this piece over the ribbon cables channel. I was having some kind of shorting issue and this solved it. I don't really know what caused it, but I think it was just a me problem. You probably won't have to worry about it. Anyway, these little changes made a big change in the feel and sound for my Q1. As always, I'll leave you here with the sound test. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and please consider subscribing. We just hit 200 subs, so thank you all so much for the continued support. But I know only about 4% of my viewers are subbed, so we can get that number up there. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.